Hey everyone, welcome back to another one of my videos. So, I haven't posted in a while, and what I did is that I saw this commercial on TikTok about the robot vacuum cleaner, and I said, yeah, let me take a look just because. And it was a ridiculously low price, and I said, there is no way it does what it says it does. It was supposed to come with a cleaning station and all that. So I said, let me order it. At least it's gonna make an interesting video. So I ordered a vacuum cleaner off of Temu, off of TikTok, sorry. And this is what I got. This is my hand, and that's the robot. It is super duper light. It's like there's nothing in there. Okay, you have a little brush, some Velcro, and what appears to be an air filter that is nothing more than a cloth. And this is the robot itself. This is how big it is. It was supposed to have two pads here that also mop. Okay, there's a little spinny thingy. This was supposed to be a LiDAR tower, and probably this is where it gathers up the dirt. So, long story short, should you believe everything you see online, be it TikTok or Facebook or YouTube? The answer is no. Unless you buy it from a reputable store or a physical store where you can actually see the product, even try the product. Don't waste your money, guys. This is what you're gonna get. I turned it on. I put it on the carpet, and it just spins in place. It does nothing. So there you go, like 20 bucks or something, completely wasted. Thank you all for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe to keep the internet alive, and come see us in the next one. Thanks, and bye bye.